Hey, hello guys, this is Yogesh and I'm your host. This is my first unboxing video and I'm going to unbox OnePlus 8 Pro. This is OnePlus flagship phone in market. Before start the video, please subscribe my channel and also share this video. And if you like video, please hit the like button. Now let's get the package. I bought this phone from Amazon. Link given below in description. Let's open it. Packaging is quite good. Here it's bill copy and the box. Phone's color, it's glacier green color. Particular, this model has 12 gigabyte RAM, LPDDR5 and 256 gigabyte storage. It's UFS 3.0 storage. It has another option of 8 gigabytes RAM and 128 gigabyte storage. Battery capacity 4510 milliampere. Processor Snapdragon 865 plus. I guess it has built-in a Dolby sound system. See the box. Big 8 on the front side. One side OnePlus 8 Pro badging. Let's open it. I'm so excited to get my hands on beautiful phone. Ta-da! Keep phone aside. Check out what rest in the box. Okay, some paperwork here. Yes, it is. It's a Red Cable Club card. It's a new thing, I guess. Another papers. OnePlus 8 stickers never settle. And here it's yes, SIM ejector tool. Oh, letter form pet. Quick start guide and silicone case. It's a soft case and very flexible, fully protected. Here we get OnePlus signature red white power cable, USB Type C and power adapter, WAP charger 30T. Here it is now. It has very gorgeous screen, 120 Hz refresh rates. Let's turn it on. At the back, 4 camera setup, 48 megapixel primary sensor. At the bottom, stereo speaker, USB Type C port and slim SIM card slot. Very bright display. As I said, 48 megapixel primary and ultra wide angle camera. 8 megapixel telephoto lens, new one 5 megapixel color filter lens. 30x zoom and 16 megapixel front facing camera. This is tall phone and easy to hold in small hand also. It is 5G compatible phone. It has 6.78-inch display, 120Hz, 1368 by 1440 pixel resolution, 513 ppi, fluid AMOLED display. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.